In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Steam Family. If you've received a Steam Family invitation and want to start using shared games, I'll walk you through the exact flow from opening Steam to seeing the family library appear. This is quick and straightforward, and I'll add clarity along the way so you know what to expect. First, open Steam on your computer. The desktop app is ideal here, and it works the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Make sure the app is up to date so everything looks and behaves as expected. If Steam doesn't log you in automatically, sign in as usual. The crucial thing is that you must be on the account that was invited. If you switch between multiple accounts, double check you're using the correct one so the invitation shows up. Next, check your notifications. In the top right corner of Steam, click the bell icon. This is where Steam alerts land, including family invites. Look for a message labeled Steam Family Invitation. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to load and make sure your internet connection is stable. Also confirm again that you're on the exact account that received the invite. When you see the Steam Family invitation, click the message to open it. This will expand the details so you can review what you're joining. You'll typically see who invited you and a brief description of what joining a Steam Family enables, like accessing eligible shared titles. It's a good idea to read this carefully so you understand how sharing works and any limitations. From there, accept the invite. Steam will take you to the family management area to finalize things. On this page, click Accept, then Confirm to complete the process. These two confirmations ensure you're intentionally joining and linking your account to the family group. After you confirm, Steam immediately updates your access so you can start using the family's shared content. You're all set. Head back to your library and you'll notice a new section called Family Library. This is where shared games appear. Open any title from the family library and click Install just like you would with your own purchases. Downloads and disk space work the same way as normal, and once the download finishes, you can launch the game from your library. Keep in mind that not every game on Steam is shareable, and availability can depend on the organizer's library and sharing rules. That's the full process. Open Steam, log into the invited account, check the bell icon for the invitation, open it, accept and confirm, and then find your new family library in your library to install shared games. Enjoy your expanded collection and happy gaming.